Greetings and daily English conversation. Common English greetings. We say good morning, good afternoon, good evening, hello, hi, welcome. Now we are going to learn real life conversation like good morning, how are you? I'm fine, thank you. How about you? I am doing great. Thanks for asking. That's wonderful. Have a great day. Thank you. You too. Now we are going to practice speaking practice. Now repeat after me. Good morning. Hello. Hi. You can be say. Next, how are you? I am fine, thank you. How about you? I am doing great. Have a great day. Thank you. You too. Confidence challenge. Speak these sentences aloud 3 times. And remember, don't translate English. Think in English and just speak. Homework. Record yourself speaking study conversation for 1 minute. Or second, practice it in front of a mirror 5 times. बिलीव करें अगर आप ऐसा करेंगे तो आप कुछ दिन बाद अपने अंदर एक बहुत ही ज़्यादा कॉन्फिडेंस महसूस करेंगे और आप इस काबिल भी हो जाएंगे कि आप इंग्लिश बोल सकें. अंडरस्टैंड? An excellent word. Every sentence you speak brings you one step closer to fluency. And keep practicing every day. Stay confident and never be afraid of making mistakes. If you enjoy this lesson, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in day 5 with another exciting English speaking lesson. Thank you for learning with me. Before you go, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Stay connected with us for more easy to learn English videos. Keep learning, keep growing, and I shall see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.